Alright, I wanted to get a good detailed video explaining to anybody else that has to work on these what the grounding problems I had are, and maybe it'll help you in the future. So everything was hooked up on the outside. I had taken the doghouse and powder coated it, put the insulation on it, put everything back, but I put it separately, as in different components along this, thinking that this was gonna be ground enough. It is not. So the final fix is all of the components that are on the doghouse have to be grounded. So down here we have from the motor to the floor. I don't know if you can see it. It goes to the floor underneath. From the floor to the doghouse. That's harder to see in the dark here, but this one is my ground from the floor to my grounding plate, and I put a whole plate so I could put all the components on the plate. There was another little problem I had when I replaced this. None of these little things on this tiny little ignition, I can't remember what it's called, none of them can be touching. So if you have one, I think this guy was really close to touching something in here, it can't touch. It'll arc out and then your connection is shot. So you have to make sure nothing is touching on here. Tiny little gap, what have you, it has to happen. And then all three, or if you have multiple components and you have additions that you're adding, have to be grounded in the same way. So motor to floor, floor to doghouse. But the doghouse, so this plate is essentially the doghouse. I made a plate because I can't ground directly to my doghouse because I have all the insulation and the powder coat preventing it from actually grounding. So this is now my grounding plate. So I hope that helps anybody in the future if you have problems with grounding. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask in the comments, and I will try to answer any questions.